Hello, students. This is your geography lesson. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about government's efforts to promote telecommunications in Pakistan from unit number 11. So we start our lesson. Telecommunications in Pakistan includes the overall environment for the mobile telecommunications, telephone, and internet markets in Pakistan. Pakistan has kept focused on the major developments recently in this field. The main focus is to extend maximum benefits to the general user in terms of having accessibility to the modern services and better quality of any service available to them. For more explanation and understanding, come to page number 220. Government plans. In view of the importance of telecommunications in the 21st century, the government's plans include: number one, more widespread provision in Pakistan of the infrastructure needed for telecommunications, the establishment of internet centers such as cyber cafes at major airports, railway stations, petrol pumps, and post offices. So, internet centers, cyber cafes on main airports, railway stations, petrol pumps, and post offices have been established. Number three, the encouragement of educational channels on TV. Here we can see different educational programs and educational channels on TV. For example, Virtual University and Islamic Open University. Number four, investment in education and training so that Pakistan has sufficient highly trained IT professionals at different levels. IT professionals are being brought in from abroad to improve the standard of training. Students, in this regard, IT towns, centers, and cities in major universities, for example, Arfa Karim IT Tower in Lahore, is dedicated to the young computer wizard Arfa Karim, and they are doing good job to train professionals, to train the person who will be beneficial for the IT department. Number five, the encouragement of the software industry, including the development of software in Urdu and regional languages. So, software, Urdu software, and other educational softwares have been introduced. Number six, the encouragement of the use of software in education and business. We can see data-based registration, computerized identity cards, driving license, and passports. They are products of IT departments. We can see that data is being saved in computers about all important institutes, industries, and trade bodies as well. The government is also keen to encourage the software industry as a small scale industry by providing incentives. So government is giving them some benefits, some incentives, so they will improve the work quality. Promoting the use of software in Pakistan, promoting the export of software. This is because because a software company is a small scale industry which can be started by one skilled IT professional with a computer, whereas to establish industries such as pharmaceuticals and oil refining, a lot of capital is needed for buildings and machinery. This means that the startup costs of a software company are relatively low. However, the profit per skilled worker can be quite high. One estimate is that just one IT professional can generate $30,000 of software exports per year. It is important for the government of Pakistan, which has limited financial resources, to invest wisely. The profits possible after a year or two of operation, together with the low investment needed to establish a company, make the software industry a suitable target for government support in its efforts to promote locally owned industries. So, students, there are some factors, hindering factors: high cost and lack of funds, poor literacy rates in rural areas. We have lack of skilled workforce in remote areas. So, we have to face such problems due to these factors. By promoting the software industry, the government is also enabling its plans. Information technology has opened up vast new avenues for developing countries such as Pakistan to use the creativity of their young generation through education and training, and to make full use of their talented youth for national development. So, Pakistan has taken initiative in this sector in information technology so that the youth will take a good participation in the national development. So, this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.